Okay, welcome to the channel. We got another product in the mail today from Kemimoto. They have all products for ATVs, UTVs, anything that you need, any kind of aftermarket accessory for your side-by-side, your four-wheeler, they got it. Today we have floor mats. So if you live on a farm like we do and you do farm work with your Can-Am or any kind of UTV, we get it muddy all the time. And the worst part is getting the inside muddy. The outside, you expect it. The inside, we'd like to keep it nice. These products should make it a little bit easier to manage that mud. All right, let's do an unboxing. So inside the box here, should have two floor mats. It's really windy today, so hopefully you can hear the audio. But these feel pretty rigid. It's kind of like a rubbery plastic, very nice. So let's see if we can set this in here. Passenger. That's a pretty nice fit. Obviously that's the driver's side. It even comes up over this little foot rest right there, which is pretty nice.
Oh wow, these are very sturdy. I know it's hard to see on the video, but it is a nice thick, but yet still pliable plastic.
Let's put the passenger in.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's real nice.
Like a glove. I love it already.
Yeah, if you've ever cleaned a side-by-side before, you know that the plastic on the inside, when dirt gets on it, it holds to it. You can have a pressure washer, you can scrub it. It's hard to get that dirt off of there. So with these floor mats, it'll make it a lot easier. I can pull them out, I can pressure wash them, I can scrub them. It won't be that big of a deal. This is the Can-Am Defender HD10, fit perfectly in there. So this is from Kemimoto. Excellent product, a great idea. You think of floor mats only being in vehicles and stuff like that, but for UTV, anything to help you keep it clean on the inside is really nice. So really like them. All right, we're going to put the product link in the description below. That way you can purchase this off of Amazon or anywhere you may like. Kemimoto also has their own personal website. These are nice rubber floor mats. They got anti-slip grooves on top, so you're not slipping around on it. Easily removable. They fit like glove. Looks like this might be a little short on the driver's side. There's probably about a 4-inch gap, but your feet are going to be up front, so that's not that big of a deal. But I'm going to get in it here. I mean, they're pretty nice. I mean, this is actually pretty comfy, very rubbery, so your feet's going to stay on still. So this is great. Oh man, who put that mud right here? Well, oh well, oh my God.
I'm gonna fall over, I'm laughing so hard.
I'm glad I got these rubber floor mats that I can just pull out and wash. Very nice.
Okay.
Let's go. All right, we got mud on our mats here. We're gonna pull them out and spray them off. Always got to test your products first. Oh. Perfect.
Easy and perfectly clean. Love it.
Nice.
This will be nice.
Make it a lot nicer.
And easy to install.
Yep.
Cool. All right, that's awesome. As always, I'm impressed with Kemimoto products, so link in the description if you want to buy it. And then also, if you missed our last video where we installed the side mirrors, I'll link that in the description below so you can watch that.
All right, thanks for watching and have a good week.